this video, I'm going to reveal to you the surprising benefits of sea salt, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to improve your overall health and vitality. So whenever you're ready, let's dive into the amazing healing benefits of sea salt. Starting off with number 5. If you are physically active, like me demonstrating here, and maybe you're sweating a lot because you're living in a hot country or both, or you have digestive issues which cause you diarrhea or even vomiting, then this health benefit number 5 is really important for you. Sea salt helps to boost your electrolytes and balance hydration levels in the body. So the way to imagine that is, this is your cell. The glass is your cell, and this is the water going in, and sea salt is like the magical ingredient that makes sure your cell is full of water, is well hydrated, and it's not overflowing, right? It has this perfect balance. This is what the electrolytes in the sea salt do. Minerals like potassium, sodium, magnesium, iron. By having these electrolytes through sea salt, not table salt, which is stripped of all the good stuff, you help the body to maintain this perfect balance and stay well hydrated. So if you're dealing with fatigue or dizziness, muscle cramps, that's often a magnesium issue, and sea salt can help with that. Number 4, my personal favorite and really relevant to this channel, Gut Feelings, here is sea salt helps with digestion and nutrient absorption. Now here's how this works. So you have the sea salt, you eat something with sea salt, and when the salt hits your stomach, it triggers the release of digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are essential for breaking down nutrients, and stomach acid production get also stimulated. It's a similar effect, not exactly the same, but why celery juice is so recommended for people who have low stomach acid and have digestive issues. Sea salt and celery juice are amazing for if you're dealing with acid reflux, if you're dealing with gastritis, bloating, malabsorption, all kinds of digestive issues that are caused by low stomach acid, by not having enough digestive force and low digestive enzyme production. I would love to know from you if this is something you knew already, that sea salt stimulates your digestive juices and increases nutrient absorption, or if this is something new. Let me know in the comments below. So yes, or I knew it already. One word of caution though, don't go crazy on it, right? I don't want you to now, okay, Peggy, yeah, well, she said, right, it's good for my stomach acid, so I'm just gonna, hunch down a lot of salt water and do these kind of trendy salt water flushes to improve the liver health and digestion. No. All good stuff can become toxic if you do too much of it. By the way, if you're dealing with digestive issues and you're done with it, you tried all the medication and the antibiotics and you still feel bad and you want to get a natural solution, created a 1-week healing plan that includes recipes, supplement guide, all background information, lifestyle recommendations to improve your gut health and stomach health in 1 week. I'll link you that here, so if you want to check that out, it's also in the description down below. Get your energy back and get all shiny from the inside out, outside inside, everywhere. So you know those surfers when they come out of the beach? Right, this is my pillow, my surfboard. Remember, like last time we were at the beach, or just saw it in the TV, and they have those surfers, like, this beautiful body, all moist with their hair coming out of the beach, and you look at their skin, and you're like, oh my God, their skin looks so good. And this is health benefit of sea salt number 3. Salt water is a godsend for your skin. Even if you do not live next to the ocean, you still can benefit, and I'll show you how right now. One of my favorite ways to use sea salt when I'm not able to go into the ocean water every day, then I'll put 1 tablespoon of sea salt, unrefined, pure, no chemicals in there, in a glass of water, stir with love, and then you can apply this to your skin. You can apply this if you have any pimples, if you have acne, eczema. And the reason why this works is because sea salt, it's anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, meaning that pathogenic bacteria, for example, or other microorganisms that are on top of your skin and cause infection don't like sea salt. It's also an astringent, meaning your pores will get smaller if you use sea salt daily. Have more firm skin. It also is a gentle exfoliant, which clears out any toxins, dead cells, dandruff from your skin. The way I like to use it is either I use this liquid, and in the bathroom I put a little bit of it on my skin and then I massage it in for like 2 minutes. I leave it in there for 10 minutes or until I wash my face again, because it's not a bad thing to have on your skin. Actually, when I'm coming out of the ocean, I usually only shower once per day in the evening, leave the ocean water on all day, and it feels great. So you can do that, or If you're a super practical person, you can also use just a spray bottle, put the salt water in there, and then just through the day, spray the eczema, the acne, or just your beautiful already face with sea salt. Now, health benefit number 2 is something I've been using for at least 10 years and has helped me so much when I was still struggling with sinus issues. I had allergies, massive seasonal and food allergies. And one of the reasons why sea salt is amazing is because it improves your respiratory tract. Just what I shared with you about the skin health. You have skin everywhere, right? Your lungs have skin and you have skin in your sinuses. The same thing applies to inhaling sea salt particles. This is why usually people feel better when they're close to the ocean. They naturally get the healing benefits, the anti-inflammatory, the antiseptic, the astringent benefits of inhaling that seawater. But again, if you don't have an ocean next to you, you can also just have the seawater in a pot and then put a towel on your head and just inhale it. Right? Even a vaporizer in your house can help. This can give you natural relief when you're dealing with allergies, with asthma, and just supports your overall lung health and respiratory tract. Before we come to our number 1, I want to know for you anything that surprised you about sea salt benefits that you didn't know. Let me know in the comments below. Sea salt benefit number 1. This is I said favorite so often, right? So my 5th favorite one, it boosts mood and reduces stress, which is always a good idea if you're dealing with anything, right? Digestive issues, skin issues, respiratory tract issues. This stuff makes everything better. I've recently noticed it myself because right now I'm living close to the ocean, so I go in every morning. I made this part of my morning ritual that I go into the ocean every morning, no matter how the weather is. If it's raining or cloudy, I don't care. And it gives me this boost. And if my mind is already very active, it reduces my overthinking mind and just stress in general. My whole nervous system starts to relax. It's also great for your electromagnetic field. So if you are in an environment where there's lots of people around you, maybe you live in a building where lots of people live on top of each other, or you're just existing on planet Earth, electromagnetic waves going through your body, right, constantly. And by reconnecting with the origin of life, which are the oceans, which you can recreate in your bathtub or even just do a foot soak with sea salt, bring the ocean home to you. This is a perfect reset for your neurological system. It's also great if you're dealing with sleep problems. So doing a foot bath before you go to sleep can help you relax down and also create this ritual that the body knows, like, oh wow, now we're getting into the mode of I don't need to think anymore, I can just relax. Because food makes such a difference, I want you now to watch this video about 5 most alkalizing foods that you should eat every day for optimal health and well-being.